Are you a veteran experiencing vision loss? Or maybe you know a veteran who is. It can be a confusing and isolating time, but I want you to know that support is available, and you are not alone. The Department of Veterans Affairs offers comprehensive blind and low vision rehabilitation services designed to help you regain independence and live a full, active life. Let's talk about what that means. Whether your vision loss is due to conditions like macular degeneration, glaucoma, diabetic eye disease, or even from a stroke or injury, the VA has a team of specialists ready to create a personalized plan just for you. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about understanding your unique situation and goals. One of the first steps is often connecting with a low vision specialist. They'll work with you to assess your current vision and explore ways to maximize it. From there, we can introduce you to a world of support. A huge part of regaining confidence is learning how to navigate your surroundings safely. That's where our orientation and mobility training comes in. Our experts can teach you how to use tools like a white cane or even help you through the process of getting a guide dog. The goal is to help you move freely and confidently, whether you're at home, running errands, or exploring your community. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. What about technology? It can seem intimidating, but assistive technology has come so far and can be a real game changer. We provide hands-on training to help you master tools that can make your life easier. Imagine having your computer or smartphone read emails and articles to you with a screen reader, or using a Braille display to stay connected online. We can even introduce you to devices that magnify text, making it possible to read books, recipes, or mail again. These tools aren't just gadgets. They're bridges to information and connection. We also have experts who can teach you adaptive skills for daily living. Think about cooking a meal, managing your finances, or even just adjusting the thermostat. There are simple, clever tools and techniques that can make these tasks manageable and safe. From talking clocks to specialized kitchen utensils, we'll help you find what works for you. And perhaps most importantly, we understand that vision loss isn't just a physical challenge, an emotional one too. It's completely normal to feel frustrated, anxious, or sad. That's why mental health support is a core part of our program. We offer one-on-one counseling and group support sessions where you can connect with other veterans who understand what you're going through. Sharing experiences and learning from one another can be incredibly powerful. You might be wondering about the cost. If you are eligible for VA healthcare, these blind and low vision rehabilitation services, including the training and even some of the assistive technology, are provided at no cost to you. Our focus is on your well-being and independence, not on your wallet. The length of the rehabilitation program is tailored to you. For some, it might be a few weeks to learn a new skill. For others, it might be a longer journey. The important thing is that we're with you every step of the way, for as long as you need us. Taking that first step can be the hardest part, but it's also the most important. If you or a veteran you know is struggling with vision loss, please reach out. You can talk to your VA primary care provider or a social worker to get a referral to a visual impairment services team coordinator. They are your main point of contact and will guide you through the entire process. Your journey to independence and confidence starts today. You've served our country, and now it's our turn to serve you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with any veterans who might need it. We'll see you next time.